Let's do a simple but a very beautiful protective hairstyle on short natural hair. Hey y'all, welcome to another interesting video. It's Crescent Felly and you know how we do it over here, so let's jump right into the video. This is how the hair was looking before everything, guys. I'm just doing the partings. For this hairstyle, guys, I want to have 3 partings in the front and I want to do the twist outs at the back and then cornrows in the front, but I will have one part here on the side where I will do some twist outs. So the plan is, or the hairstyle is, a combination of twist outs at the back and then some cornrows in the front. I'm excited about the cornrows part because, guys, the hairstyle turned out so cute. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Let's start with the twist outs. In case you have short hair which you want to grow out long, you want to protect it, you need to do protective hairstyles, and one of them is twist outs, cornrows, and braids using your own natural hair. This is the video of the original hairstyle. The one who did this hairstyle is actually a TikToker, and that's where we got the inspiration from. I was doing this hairstyle on my friend. She has a very cute baby boy and she allowed me to show his face in the video. We had another girlie over there. She's our friend and we were having all these types of conversations. You guys know all the udaku that happens between 2 to 3 girls. Yeah. We are on the cornrows part and this is my favorite, guys. I can't wait for you guys to see the results. So from now on I will let you guys watch and see how I made this X kind of hairstyle and see the outcome.
fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
And just like that, we have our beautiful protective hairstyle on for C short hair. Like, guys, look at this hairstyle. It's so cute, it's so beautiful, it's so demure, it's so African, it's so elegant. Like, there is nowhere you can't go with this hairstyle, whether it's wedding, school, work, dates, everywhere. Like, you guys, if you're struggling with keeping your short hair presentable, this is the style for you, baby girl. Because number one, it's protecting your natural hair. Number two, it was very simple to do and it's affordable. Like, you only need your natural hair to do this hairstyle. Comment down below, guys, what you think about this hairstyle, and that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.